I heard about Duke for the first time when a professor told me about it. He was my favorite professor back at law school in Austria, and he told a lot of stories about Duke because he used to teach here. So I did some more research about Duke and I talked to people who used to go to Duke, and it only confirmed my first impression that Duke is a really good school.
The courses that I have chosen for this semester have been both challenging and interesting simultaneously. I find myself in an advantageous position where I can actually undertake comparative studies between American, UK and Anglo-Saxon schools of law.
It's been great to have the opportunity to pick what courses I want to do. There's a range of specialisms that Duke caters to. My own one is public interest law, and I'm really happy with my choices here.
When we were starting the fall semester, we were assigned an advisor, a professor, who guided us through the courses that are available to us and what may be the best for us, given each individual's background and their interest field of study.
I'm really interested in social justice and law, and Duke has a really wide range of subjects in human rights as well as interdisciplinary subjects in history, for example, and the crossover between law and policy.
Duke Law has this personal approach. When we got admission, we started to communicate with the international office, and so they referred some students at that time to us. They give us some tips, advice about daycare centers, about life here. So that's very helpful.
Well, it all started in the first week, I think. Oleg, our career advisor, told us to network with people here. So I really took Oleg's comments seriously, and I started emailing people, emailing law firms, and it really paid off. I also had the impression that Duke students were very well prepared for the job fair in New York. Also, when I talked to other students, I felt very confident about what I'm doing there.
My favorite course so far is the negotiation seminar. This is because this skill is actually essential in preparing you for the outside world, your daily life, and your professional career.
I think the size of the Duke Law LLM program is just about right. We have around 100 students from around 40 countries. We have a good diversity here. It allows you to interact with your classmates from different cultures.
Here, it's really giving me the opportunity to reach out for people, with professors. They know me, they know my name, they know where I'm from. We have small classes, we are a small LLM program, and that has allowed me to get to know more people, to stand out more too, because when you're within 500 students, you are basically one more.
For me, it's also about the experience, which city you want to be in, if you want to be in a small cohort, a big cohort. For me, that's been one of the most amazing things about Duke, is being sort of experiencing American campus life.
Downtown Durham is the place to be. In the weekends or whenever you feel like just releasing stress. They got remarkable cuisines and, to be honest, really interesting coffee shops.
When I first came here, just how absolutely green everything is. It's really beautiful, which is also fantastic in terms of a break from law school. There's sort of running trails, lakes, rivers, so lots to explore.
We have a family with 2 children.
Durham, they have wonderful parks with nice kids facilities. Also, the weather is so nice and you can play outside. The kids can play outside all year round. That's one of the most important reasons that we're here in the South.
Contact us. We are all eager to help future LLMs, making arrangements to come live here, settling in, choosing courses, what things to do. I will definitely encourage people to get in touch with us.